Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm in the studio with Anna, and what we are doing is using two harsh lights for our two light setup in the studio. We have our mirror down here just to get reflection of Anna, because that's what we're trying to go for. And we're trying to make the image look a bit moody as well. So in the back, we have this black fabric. Even though I have the brown in the back, if it shows later on in post, I'll just paint that out and make it completely black so that the focus goes straight onto Anna. In the back, I have my Godox 8600 BM, and it's only being modified with a cone because I want the light coming out of that to be very harsh. Our main light is also the Flashpoint 400 Pro, and that is also being modified with the same 7-inch cone so that we get harsh light on Anna. I feel this is just going to make the lighting a bit moody, create some shadows and add contrast to the shot. So this is what we're experimenting with today, and I want you guys to come along as I film the behind the scenes for you guys to enjoy. Hopefully you learn a thing or two along the way. So let's get to shooting. I'm using my Canon R5 for today's shoot, and I have the Sigma 85 1.4 hard lens on it, and I'm triggering both lights with the Godox X1T trigger, so we can start shooting and you guys will see the images as I put them on the screen. My camera settings, if you can see, I'm at 1/160 f5 and ISO 100, researching up just a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, and can you turn your face a little bit more? Yeah, but bring your eyes back to the camera. Yeah, that's nice. Hold that. That's beautiful. Okay, I need to get because I'm using a cone, I need to get the light exactly to hit her face. So what I'll do is I'll just turn on the modeling lamp so I can see exactly where the light is, and then just reposition that for her face. Perfect. It's in your eyes. It's right, but I'll turn it off. All right, cool. So let's take a few more shots and then see how everything comes together. Yeah, perfect right there. Yeah, that's nice. Can you just relax your fingers? Yeah, perfect. Okay, it doesn't need to, but yeah, just like that. All right, cool. And can you cross your feet as well? Yeah, maybe just turn your face a little bit more. Yes, and just bring your eyes back. Perfect. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, that's lovely. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. One more. One lash. Oh, that's nice. Okay, now I want you to actually exaggerate it. So instead of lying flat here, I want you to like put the pressure point on your, how you anything? Elbow.
When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. You know back, you go shopping with your ATM.
So I think maybe move your hand because it's easier for you to move this part. Yes. And then now, and raise the kick. Alright. But you're looking surprised. I think you're thinking about the pose a lot.
You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM.
Let's see. Keep that. Nice. Eyes, yeah. One more. I think I love this. Yeah, this is it for me. So, I want you to angle yourself like that. So like, let your legs go towards the cloth and then bring your, perfect, just like that. And then let's just do that pose again. All right, so these are like close-up shots. Again, eyes to the camera, yeah. Okay, let me just go back a bit. Yeah, that's nice. One more. Engage with the camera, yeah. Chin up a little bit, yes. One last shot. Yeah, that's cute. Ooh, fire. I think this is it. So still, let's raise the bum up a bit more. Just the bum, yeah.
Is it up?
Yeah, it's up, it's up. Cute. The eyes, just work with your eyes a little bit. One last shot.
Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM.